How to manage clipboard access on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage clipboard access on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here and now click settings and then go down and click this one, site settings, and then go down and you will find this one here, clipboard. Just click on it and now all you need to do is just manage here until you want, like turn it off if you want, and you can turn it on again. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.